Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add number row to your keyboard on Honor 50. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, system and updates, language and input, and press on your default keyboard. For mine it's Microsoft Swift key. Then go to layout and keys and enable number row. And from here, if we go to any text messages or something that pops up your keyboard, you can see your number row right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.